This is actually insane, just look at how much I was able to make in a week. I honestly did not think it was going to go this way at all. Andrew Tate has made millions of dollars through his dropshipping course, so I decided to try it out for myself and then try dropshipping with the knowledge that I learned. To get to his dropshipping course, which is in Side Hustlers University, I only had to pay $50 to get access. So I bought it. And before I get into it, spoiler alert, he's not actually teaching the course himself. He hired someone else to make this dropshipping course because you don't even hear his voice in the entire thing. Following my purchase of the course, I followed my usual routine of thoroughly viewing all the course videos, as well as taking detailed notes so that I can remember what I learned. And as I did this, I attempted to document his precise strategy demonstrated in the course, with the aim of following and replicating it to the best of my ability. So I went through the course, which I cannot reveal because if I do, Andrew's gonna come after me. However, I can tell you that it provides just enough information to get you started as a beginner, most of which I already knew, but let's go ahead and get into finding the product. In the course, Andrew mentioned some key criteria for finding winning products. In short, they are a wow factor, a problem solver, and viral potential. And the way to actually find the product is going to be using TikTok. The way to do this is by searching up hashtags like Amazon Finds or TikTok made me buy it. And also filter the search by videos posted in the last week to avoid saturated products. So I'm going to scroll through TikTok for a little bit and let you guys know once I find our winning product.
2,000 years later.
After scrolling for about an hour, I think I finally found my winning product. This product is a crystal-shaped lamp with 16 different colors. It definitely has viral potential and a wow factor, and I think we can advertise this pretty well. I also found it on AliExpress for about $9 to $10, which means our profit margins can be pretty good. The next step is to order the product from Amazon so that I can make videos with it. I found the exact product right here on Amazon and it costs about $26. So now I'm going to order it and update you guys once I get the product. And finally, 3 business days later, I present to you the multicolor crystal lamp. It looks and functions as fantastically as it's advertised, and I think I can make a really good website around this. So let's move on to the next step, which is building our store. The e-commerce platform we're building our store on is going to be Shopify. And side note, I've left a link down below to sign up to Shopify for only $1 a month. The name I came up with for our one product store is Cristallo. The name has absolutely no meaning, but it sounds like crystal, so there's that. Before I get to the store build itself, I added 3 apps that are pretty useful in my opinion. The first app is Booster, which makes the pages on the store load a lot faster. The second app is DSers, which is the supplier I'm going to be using. And the third app is Tadeo, which adds a live chat option on the store. The store theme I'm going to be using is called the Debeautify theme. Debeautify is a great theme because it adds lots of things to the store design to make it look exceptional. So after importing the theme into Shopify, I think it's time that we start building the store. So guys, the store is now fully built and ready to launch. Let me show you what I came up with. So this right here is the homepage that we're on, and right at the top we have a little announcement bar which says 30-day returns, 1-year warranty, and free shipping. The reason I put those in there is to make the customer trust the brand more, which will make it easier on them to make a purchase. Then we have our header here where they can navigate to the home, contact, or product page, and we also have a search bar, a currency converter, and the cart display. Then we have our main product right here and the very well organized product description right below it. We have some information about the product with a shop now or learn more button and a YouTube review of the crystal lamp. Then we have some images, some more information about the product, and a very clean footer. And by the way, this is the logo that I came up with for our store, which you can see as a little icon on our header. I genuinely feel very confident about this product and the website. I don't know what it is, but I just have a really good feeling about this one. Let's move on to the final step, which is marketing the product and hopefully getting sales. In Andrew Tate's course, they actually teach you to advertise through Facebook ads. So I'm going to be creating 5 different campaigns with 5 different ads in each of them. And I'm going to put a maximum budget of $100 for each one of them, so that means that we're spending $500 max on our ads. And just to give you guys an idea of what my ads look like, here's 3 of them. So this is the first ad that I'm going to be using. And this is the second ad. And finally, this is the third ad. So I just launched all of my campaigns on Facebook, and now we wait for the results. Alright, so it's now 4 days later and I let the ads run only up until $300 was used. And the reason for that was because I noticed that we were making sales, but it wasn't enough to make us profitable. So let's take a look at our store analytics, and on February 1st we made $277.92. On February 2nd we made $343.88. And on February 3rd we made $34.48. And finally on February 4th we made $149.41. So overall through the 4 days we made $805.69. However, all that is just revenue. I spent $300 on ads, so now that leaves us at $505.69. And the product costs were about $352, so now that leaves us at $153.69. So we are actually profitable, but only by $153.69, which is actually not that bad in 4 days. I'm definitely going to keep running this store and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So overall, in regards to Andrew Tate's course, I basically learned stuff that I already knew. However, I also have been dropshipping for a really long time. If you're only a beginner, it's not a terrible idea to get some basic information, but at the same time, you can also find this basic information for free right here on YouTube.